What is meditation? What are the myths behind the meditation and what are its benefits? Yes, in this video we will know about all these questions. Before moving ahead, if you like the video, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So without delay, let's get started video. Hello everyone, you are watching Khichdi English with Deepa. I am your host and host Deepa. So first question is, what is meditation? In a very simple words, meditation where you meets from your soul, where you find your inner peace. It's a method which we are following from ancient time. That is a meditation. There are lots of myths about the meditation. You should do meditation in morning time. This myth is absolutely incorrect because you can do anytime, whether it is morning, noon, evening or at night. Second myth is you should do meditation by sitting. No, you can do meditation at any time, anywhere, in any situation. Whether you are sleeping, whether you are sitting, whether you are traveling, whether you are eating, whether you are laying down on the bed or on the floor. It doesn't matter that you have to sit only sitting position. Next, you should do meditation in this position like this. No, it's no need to do this. You can meditation while sitting on the chair or sitting on the bed or laying down on the floor or bed. Next is you should need a place for meditation. No, it's a wrong. You can do meditation anywhere, like you can do in your bedroom, in your workplace like a office. Mostly people chant Om during the meditation, but if you don't want to do this, then you can create the sound from the throat like it's also a part of the meditation. Mostly people follow these method to do meditation, which is not a proper way to do the meditation, and after that they feel headache or heaviness because of not because they don't follow the proper way of meditation. Now we will discuss about benefits of the meditation. So there are so many benefits about the meditation. We will discuss one by one here. It benefits in three ways. First, health wise, second, career wise, and the last, human relation wise. We will discuss one by one. First, we will discuss about health wise. It controls your blood pressure, it boosts your immunity power, it increase your memory power or focus power, it reduce your stress and anxiety, it also reduce jealousy, anger issues and other kind of negativity. For career wise, it clears your thoughts, your mindset for the future. It provides you the ability to choose the right path for your career. Meditation helps you make self aware. Relation wise, it makes strong your human relations, whether it is family, friend, or socially. Meditation provides you all kind of stability mentally, physically, emotionally. It helps you to grow outer or inner overall, not mentally, physically, but socially or physically as well. In the next video, we will know about the method, the process of meditation. Till then, bye bye and take care.